Off-canvas pop-ups are one of the most effective way to grab attention, grow your email list, and highlight important offers without cluttering your layout. And in the past, building pop-ups in Divi usually mean third-party plugins or adding custom code. But with Divi 5, that's officially a thing of past. Today, I will show you exactly how to create off-canvas pop-ups in Divi 5 using canvases and interactions, and all natively inside Divi 5 Visual Builder. So if that sounds interesting, then let's dive in. Now, if in case you want to deep dive in this topic and learn everything step by step, then we have created a complete blog post that we are going to link in the video description below. So once you're done with this video, I would highly recommend you go ahead and check out our blog post. I'm sure you will find it really helpful. So here we have just created this page using the pre-made layouts in Divi library. And now we want to show a pop-up on the page load maybe after 5 seconds, and we don't want to design that pop-up on this layout itself. So for that we can use our canvases and create an off-canvas pop-up which we can link to this page, and in the front end it will load after 5 seconds. So let's see how that can be done. So this is our main page, and in order to access different canvases we have this icon here. So if we click on this grid view, here again, this is our main canvas, our main page, and we also have other canvases that we have designed for different pages. And in order to design a new canvas, we are going to click on Add Canvas here. Then we are going to give it a name, and we can also make it global so that we can access the same canvas on different pages of our website. But for this example, let's keep it as it is. And we are going to click on Add Canvases. And now simply go ahead and use all the modules to design whatever style of pop-up we want to create. Now let's say we are going with this style of off-canvas pop-up that we are going to link to our main page. Just to mention, we have 6 free templates that you can download from our blog post. So you can simply import these designs into Divi library and just go ahead and use them to start designing your off-canvas pop-ups. So once the design is finalized, we can go ahead and save this. And we come back again to this grid view. So now we can see we have our off-canvas pop-up designed here. So we come back to our main page, and now we need to add interactions on this page. So we go to the main header, and then we go to Advanced and go to Interactions, and then we need to add a new interaction. And for this one, we are going to select Viewport Enter. And let's first give this a name. So after giving our admin label, we have selected trigger event as the viewport enter, which means as soon as this page loads in the front end. So the action should happen for this interaction is show element. So we can choose any action from the list, but in this case, we want to use show element. And now we need to select our target module, that which element we want to show on the page load. And for this one, we just need to search our section. So I'll just go ahead and type in the name. So here we can see the name of our canvas. And under this, we have a section called Pop-up Ice Cream. So let's select that. And let's say maybe we can set a time delay of 10 milliseconds and then click on Save. Now, before we go ahead and test this in the front end, let's go ahead and add one more interaction. And that will be done on our off-canvas pop-up. So we come back here. And in this design, we have this cross sign. In this design, we have this cross icon. We click on this and we are going to add additional interaction on this icon only. So we come back to Advanced, go to Interaction. And here you can see we have an interaction. It says, let me open the edit option here, on which will get triggered on click, that is on click of this icon. And then the action associated with this is hide element. So let's go ahead and select the target module. And once again, we are going to select our main section, Pop-up Ice Cream, to hide it once we click on this cross icon. And time delay, let's keep it 0 in this case. And then click on Save. Now let's go back to our main page and let's go ahead and save it and see the preview in the front end. So here is our front end. Let me just go ahead and reload the page. And boom, our pop-up is already here. And if we click on this close icon, it goes off from the screen. So this is how you can create any style of off-canvas pop-up using canvases and interactions. And once again, if you want to download the 6 pre-styled email pop-up layouts for Divi 5, then do check out the link in the video description below. And if you like this video and you want to watch more tutorials like this, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. That's it for this one, and I'll see you in the next video.